Mix is headed our way. We want to talk some weather, and John, he has a bit of bad news for us.
Yeah, nothing sweet about it. We've got this nasty day tomorrow. Today we get to catch our breath and get ready for it. I mean, we're not talking about a lot of snow. It's the changeover with that element of ice that make it challenging. So we didn't have any snow out on the island, 32 to 34 to 38 for the South Shore. Snow this morning, a couple of inches, yeah, Monmouth and Ocean County. And then you head up into the Hudson Valley. This was an interesting hope or dream. Greg says 32 in Peekskill, and he would like to see straight snow, no mixing. But I see mixing even into parts of the Hudson Valley. So that's why we're concerned about the possibility of some ice. So, yeah, we did see some snow pictures coming in. And also, Elena, there in Brooklyn, they're already starting to salt the streets. A lot of pre-treatment going on. So let's all have pizza. Anthony's buying. He was out getting pizza this morning. All right, here's what we're serving up. A slice of not nice with a side of ice. We're quiet right now. We have snow well to the south. A lot of available moisture. It's going to come into a cold air mass. So, as noted before, it's going to start at snow. Your day today, 38. Snow chance stays well to the south. You're fine after school pickup and then evening activities. You're okay. Morning low of 27, so clearly cold enough for snow. Timing it out for you again between, say, now and 10 o'clock. Notice we are snow-free. In fact, really early commuters, you're in much better shape because at 5 to 5:30, we start to see some snow pushing through parts of the city, Staten Island, over to parts of Union County into Morris. Definitely Monmouth Ocean. Here we go again. And then during the commute, it's snow, which actually is a little bit more manageable as far as the alternative because we start to see that changeover with some ice. So that is either sleet, freezing in the air, or freezing on contact. I think that freezing on contact or freezing rain will be more of a problem because, remember, you've already had snow on the ground, get a couple of inches, and then you put rain on top of that. You're going to create a real mess as that line migrates north during the course of the day into the afternoon. So then after school pickup is really a mess. Notice Sullivan, Ulster, parts of Orange. It has stayed snow. Maybe Greg by then, though, starts to see a changeover by Tuesday night. Notice then it is a warmer storm, so it turns wet. And then we finally see this thing wrap up Wednesday morning. Tuesday morning, the timeline, it's snow in the morning early. Mid-morning, there's already some mixing. And then in the afternoon, there's much more of a changeover to rain. But, boy, those changeover hours, that's going to be the real challenging time with that element of ice. How do you stay ahead of that? And then nighttime, for many, it just changes back to rain. 2 to 4, again, that's potential snow total before the changeover. So you do not wind up with 2 to 4. 4 to 6 plus, you wind up with that. You hang on to that for part of the area with elevation well north and west. But remember, ice is a potential. Even in the city could see a hint of ice. But then watch what happens as the storm leaves. You could see 1/4 of an inch of ice. That is really a headache. Weighing down power lines, weighing down trees, and then also just trying to maneuver around on that ice. You have that to deal with. So 35, the challenging day is tomorrow. We'll hop on Facebook right after the show, walk through some of those models for you. Tuesday, the challenging day. We wrap it up Wednesday, then we brighten it up. It's a bit breezy. It's brighter. Nice for St. Valentine's Day, 45. Who's counting, though? And then Friday is a warmer day, but it turns wet Friday night into Saturday. Tomorrow, I'll just plan on it. Factor in extra time. And then just remember, the storm is going to change during the course of the morning into the early afternoon. Good times.
Yeah. Keep it coming, John. Thanks so much. All right, our tip